Hello, today's question is divide 840 in the ratio of 3:4. So let's see how to do that. The total number here is 840. So the total ratio here is 7. Now for 3, let's say 3, it implies that 840 divided by 7 times 3. So if you solve this in your calculator, it will give you 360. And for 4, let's say it implies that 840 divided by 7 times 4. And if we do that, it will give us 480. How to check if your answer is correct or not? Add these two together and it will give you this. So this is how to solve a mathematical problem of ratio. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to check out other videos from us for you, then click this video up here. That is all I have for you for this video, and I will see you in our next video.